So guys, in this video I will show you two ways and methods you can get 5,000 followers plus on your Facebook page and apply for Facebook monetization fast and easy. However, the first method will be a bit fast, but will be needing you to put a much more work right there for you to get the result. So while the second method will be fast, free, easy, also going to need you to put a little work right there to actually get results right there. So however, if you get to use the two methods together and put in the work, you will get as fast result and massive followers on your Facebook page in 24 hours. So the first method is you will be leveraging uploading viral content on your Facebook page Reels, because Reels helps build fast audience, reaching people and fast right there and quick, and you can get viral content from places or platform like YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, Instagram Reels and TikTok. So coming on TikTok right here, so let's say you want to use TikTok as one of the platforms you'll be using to get this viral content you're going to be publishing on your Facebook page Reels right there. What you're going to do right on TikTok, you can see how the platform is. So this is actually how it is right there. You're going to go on the search bar. So when you come on the search bar, so depending on your niche right there, depending on what you want to be publishing or what you want to be uploading, the content you want to be uploading, so you're going to go ahead and look for viral content on that niche right there. So let's say you're in a niche of maybe entertainment, fitness, on health and bunch of them. You're going to actually get to download those kind of viral videos on this platform, either on TikTok, either on Pinterest, either on YouTube Short, or either on Instagram Reels. So let's say you come on that of motivation, and maybe you're into motivational niches right there, whereby you inspire people, you talk to people, advise people right there on their lifestyle and all that. You can just maybe come out the search bar and search for motivation, let's say quotes, or let's just put it that way. When you put it that way, what you're gonna do, you're going to click on the search bar right there. When you click on the search bar, you're going to load up. So you're going to see a bunch of motivational quotes right here. And if you look down below, you're going to see that all these quotes right has, this has 810, this has 731,000, and this one has 1.3 million, this one has 1.5 million, and these videos right here are doing really good right here. So if you can get to download this kind of videos and publish it right there on your Facebook Reels right, that's going to be a massive views you're going to be getting on your Facebook Reels. And what you're going to do, let's say you want to get something like this, and then you want to get something like this, maybe this one with 1.3 million, no regrets in life. This one having
better days are coming.
What you're gonna do, you're gonna come to the search bar right here. You're seeing this arrow, you're gonna hit on it right there. So you're gonna go ahead and copy it right there, and when you copy it right there, you're gonna go to your Facebook page. And if you can actually go to look at what this guy has been doing so far, you're gonna see that he has over millions and millions of views. So if you can even get to leverage on some of his videos right here, make sure you be careful also for copyrights, because you know this video is also going to be doing well if you actually get to put in the work, maybe automate it, get to publish like 20 of these videos maybe in a row, or in 2 days, or even in a day, guys. You're going to actually blow up the algorithm. So let's of all, you're going to go on a platform called snaptic.co. So that's when you're going to be downloading this video. You're not going to be getting any watermark on this video. So let's say you come on your Chrome browser, your Safari. So right on my Safari, I'm going to go ahead and search on snap tick right there .app. Okay, it's .app, not .co though. So I'm gonna hit on the search right there, and when I hit on the search right there, so you're gonna go ahead and paste in the link you copied, and this is gonna load up this way. You're gonna hit on where they say download. The weapon, this is gonna show up, ad's gonna show up real quick. You're gonna see where they say download, and you're gonna see the video. So this ad's gonna show up. You're gonna just click on this X button, and when you click on the X button, they're gonna ask you, do you want to download? You're gonna hit on the download right there, and boom, below right here you're gonna start downloading. You're gonna see right there the below, and boom, when you hit on it, you go to downloads, and when you hit on download, this is gonna be the video real quick. You can see there is no ad right here on this video, guys, and all you have to do is just come right here and then go ahead and go below and save this video. So when you save this video right here, you're going to then go to your Facebook page and get this video published. Okay, Right on your page, this is actually one of my page right here on my Facebook page. Basically, I don't really do Facebook too much. I actually do it just to maybe promote my brand and all that, but and run ads right there. So I don't publish more on Facebook. So let's see, you want to publish right here. What you're gonna do, you want to publish the reels you just download. Just come right here. When you come at the reels part, you're gonna see where they say create reels, and you're gonna hit on it. And when you hit on that right there, this is gonna be the video you just download, and you're gonna hit on it right there, and this is gonna be loading real
Coming.
quick.
Be patient. No regrets in life, just lessons learned.
On the next button right there, so you can actually get to add some title, or maybe depending on what your maybe the video is all about. It can be like wait for it, it can be like subscribe, it can be like follow button. You can get to put those icons right there on the video. So I'm not going to be going through all that, but this is going to be the basics. So you can just come right here and maybe talk about the video, maybe better days ahead, because that's what I phrase video. Don't give up, you know. So when I do that, I'm going to then go below and put some hashtags, then put on motivate right there, and you're going to see motivation is 103 million posts. And if I come right here and put on them, maybe let's say FYP, I'm going to see I'm having over 265 million posts. I'm going to say hashtag, we're gonna just go ahead and put a bunch of hashtags. I'm not going to be going through all that, so you're going to actually use what works for your niche right there, what's related to your niche right there. Then you click on done, leave it as public, then you click on share now, and your post right here is going to be published right there on your file right there. And by the time you keep publishing these videos, like, get to give yourself a task and publish like 5, 10, 15, 20 of these videos in a day, guys, believe me, this video going to rank, and you're going to be getting flood of followers on your page. Guys, is that easy? So that's going to be the first way. So you're going to actually get to put in the work, and always make sure you like your video. So you're going to actually get to put in the work and follow this strategy. So if you don't want to do this strategy, the second strategy is going to actually help you too. But before I show you the second strategy and the second method, and if you're enjoying the way I've been walking you through from start to this point, I want to make a brief intro of myself. I'm Wealth Bernard, and welcome to Everyday Wealth channel, where I create videos around making money online, don't want little and no tax, and get paid. And if that interests you, kindly give this video a thumbs up right there, and as well smash and demolish the subscribe button with the bell notification turn on for more video updates like this one you're watching right here. And also, we're on a mission of getting the channel to 1 million subscribers. Participate right there by smashing the subscribe button. So you're going to be among those going to be getting the channel to the 1 million subscribers before the end of the year. So that's it. And for the second method, if you click the link on the comment section of this video pin or the description section, it's going to bring you to this platform right here. So right here on like for like, you're going to see that this platform right is a marketplace where you actually get people to follow your page organically for your credit or your coins right here you've accumulated on this platform. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna actually get to set up an account, and it's all easy. Put in your username. I'm gonna put in something random. I'm gonna put something like this. I'm gonna put a simple password. You make sure you won't forget the password. So I'm also gonna retype the password again, so you make sure whatever you're putting, you're not gonna forget it. So I'm going to enter an email, so I'm going to use this. So you're going to make sure I enter the both parts right there. I'm going to click on I agree. And when I click on I agree right there, they're going to ask me to enter the Dynamo clock. I'm going to answer it right here, Dynamo clock. So when I do that, I'm going to click on done right there, and I'm going to hit on submit. And when I submit right there, this is going to say, what did they say? Okay, they said please please type in the different password. Your password should be at least, okay, they are saying my password should have at least one letter that is a kind of a special character. I'm going to just use something different right here. So make sure you enter password you won't forget rather. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to come down below and still enter this also. This is 2 pigeon, so I'm going to do that. So let's see if we're going to get this correctly. So I'm going to hit on submit. So the username, I'm going to just put in something random. So I'm gonna hit on submit again. So boom, so right here they've sent me a message, thank you for registering. And then they said email verification, so they've sent me an email to my email address. I'm gonna go to my email to get this code. You guys, right here on my email, I'm not seeing the mail. So what you're gonna do, you just come at the top right here. So you can either check on primary, check on social, or you come on your spam. Let's check on spam right here. Okay, I got nothing. So you can also go to where they say all mails. So when you come on all mails, definitely okay, look at the area here, it does appear. You're gonna get it. So I'm gonna hit on like for like right there, and this is gonna be the code. I'm gonna go ahead and copy the code ASAP right there. So when I copy it right there, I'm gonna come back to my Chrome browser and I'm gonna go ahead and paste it right there. And when I paste it, I'm going to enter the answer here, which is dear sir. So when I do that, I'm going to click on submit right there. And when I hit on submit right there, you're going to load up, boom, they're going to give me a free credit of 30 right there. And this is how the platform is. You're going to see how like for like works. Get free credit by liking and they will like you back. And you're going to see what it is right. And this platform has been over 12 years, guys. Over 12 years. So this platform is trusted. To whatever followers you're getting from this platform are truly organic. So if you click at the top right here, you're going to see stuff like add managed pages, free credit, buy credit, special bonuses. So now how you can actually get to add your account right here, you're going to actually add your Facebook page right here. You just click on where they say add new. So when you click on add new right there, you're going to see select feature. When you click on select feature, you're going to see a lot of stuff like zero. So you can go ahead and add your pages, either your ask SKFM likes this right there. They're going to give you what, so you're not going to be looking after this because that's not what we want here. So what we're going to go through is the Facebook page follow. So we're going to come on the Facebook page follow. So when you come right here, they're going to ask you to add the Facebook link and get follows. So what we're going to do, we're going to come on our Facebook page. So I'm going to write here on my Facebook page. One, if you want to get your link right here, so when you come on the page right, so you're going to see this is my page right here. I'm literally not promoting this page at all. I'm not working on this page. I have other stuff I do, but this hack I'm showing you guys works, and actually work on this hacks right there. I'll be able to get over 200 followers in just 20 to 30 minutes right there. So you can actually do the same thing and you're going to see the result. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click right here, and when I click right here, you're going to see what it is. I'm going to come here, and this is the link you will copy. Click on copy link, click on OK, and when you come back right here, you're going to see that you're going to go ahead and paste the link right here. When you paste the link right here, these are 3, you can already check the credit. So you're going to be getting 3 credit. You're going to be getting 1 followers per 3 credit. So I'm going to just increase it to 4, so you're going to be fast. So when you do that, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to click on submit. And when you click on submit right there, done, they've added your page right there to the list, and you're going to see what it is right there. You're going to see that this page has been added, guys. So you're going to see what it is right there. So that's how it is right. And now you've done it, you're going to come down below, go to where they say word, click on edit right there. So you're going to see all these locations. So these are locations you'll be getting your followers from, like people who are going to be following your page. What you're going to do, you can either get to choose specific, or you just click go ahead and check all. And when you check all, you click on save right there. So they're going to be saved to people from all those locations going to be following your page, real people organically. So once you've done that, then you're going to allow it. So how do you get this credit? So there are different ways. You're going to be doing some simple tasks, following people right there on their pages. Either one, and to do that, what you're going to need to do, you click on free credits, and when you click on free credits, you're going to see the same free credit by Facebook page follow. You're going to see follow this person, and you're going to be getting 3 credits. So you're going to click on follow right there, and once you click on follow, and you're going to take you to the page, and let's wait for it right there. So they're asking me to run. So what you're going to do, I don't want to log in on this. So once you click on it, you can either log in or log out. Then you follow this person right here. You make sure you follow this person and come back to the page. And when you come back to the page, they're going to ask me to confirm. So you're going to make sure you confirm right there. And when you confirm right there and refresh, guys, you're going to see that you're going to earn 32 cents. Reason why they are not actually adding it is because they are tracking it that I'm not following. So make sure you follow, guys. Do you understand? Make sure you follow. So once you do that, that's how you're going to be accumulating more credits. You're going to be following, and they're going to be sending you more platform. And this is how other people are doing and adding to your credit right there. They are actually doing the same thing, and they are actually get to follow your own page. So you get to do same thing to follow your own page. Let's say you don't want to stress yourself doing all those tags, following, blah blah blah, liking and all that. You can actually get to buy credits. You can actually get to buy the credit, and the credits are cheap. So you come right here, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to where they say buy credits, and when you click on buy credits, you're gonna see that you'll be getting a 1,000 credit for food. And in Nigeria, in my country, that should be about let's say 5,000 naira or 4,000 naira, and this 1,000 credits can get you up to 5,000 followers right there on Facebook. So you could also get that of 2,200, depending on what you want, and the payments are done either Visa or debit card. So you can get to use a US dollar card right there to get this done. So if you don't have a US dollar account and you want me to create a video, the best Nigerian banks or best platform you can use to get a US dollar account for any transaction, no limit, click on the comment section down below and saying US dollar card, and I'm going to make a dollar card tutorial how to get the best dollar card for whatever international payment you want to do. So if you look at this part right here, you're going to see that our credit right here is now reading low. It's now 26. That is to say, we're actually getting people, and they're taking this credit to get people to follow us on our page. So let's just go to our page and see what is going on right there. So before it was 201. So let's see if we're getting some results right here from this automation we've just did right here. So it's loading real quick, and let's just go to the page right here. I'm going to hit on it, and we're going to see that it was 201, and we've gotten extra 7 followers from just this platform right here. We've gotten 7 followers from the credit already. The 30 credits they already credit us right on this platform. So guys, this can also be a trick. If you have a bunch of emails, maybe you have different emails, you can use different IP address to set up this account right here. Link your Facebook page right here to the same for your different accounts right there, and the followers also going to be reading. But be careful, this is a black hat, so it might run it, but follow the legit way. Either get to buy this right here $4 for 1,000 credit and explode your followers in 24 hours and get 5,000 plus followers on Facebook page, or you do the first method, which is uploading reels right there, viral content reels on your Facebook page. So guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I love every one of you guys who watched to this point. You're a goat, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Check out this video and see how you can actually get to monetize your Facebook page on Facebook from ineligible countries. Stay safe out there. Peace out.